In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the windshield wiper nozzle on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located under the wiper cowl. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, remove the 4 front clips for the wiper cowl. Remove the plastic clip on either side of the wiper cowl. Open the cap for the wiper arms. Do this on both of the wiper arms. Remove the 15mm nuts for the wiper arms. Do the same thing on the other one. Remove the wiper arm. To do this, I'm going to push right on this hinge until I get a wiggle. Once it starts to wiggle, try and flatten the bracket out and pull it off of the stud. Remove the arm, do the same thing on the other one. Pop up the rubber pieces on either side of the cowl. Just grab it and pull up, separate it from the wiper cowl. Do the same thing on the other side. Lift up on the wiper cowl. We're going to pinch both tabs for the washer nozzle using a pair of pliers. And as we do this, we're going to push it through the wiper cowl. There we go. Get the washer nozzle pushed through, pull it up and out. Pull it straight off of the hose and remove it from the vehicle. Push the hose up out of the wiper cowl and install the nozzle down onto it. Push it down into place. It should clip into place. You won't be able to pull it back up. Reinstall the wiper cowl onto the bottom of the windshield. Start in one corner, getting the wiper cowl installed. Get it behind both hinges. You're going to start on the bottom of the windshield and push it up and on, being sure that the weather stripping is sitting flush against the windshield. Once you have it lined up, install the clips. Don't forget the ones on either side. This weather stripping will clip into this little clip right here. Just pull it towards it. Snap the rubber inserts in on either side. Install the passenger wiper arm. Push it down into place. Line it up with the marks on the windshield, or get it right level with the lower black strip. Do the same thing on the drivers. Push in that spring area to seat them onto the studs and get the nuts started. Hold the wiper arm as you snug these down, making sure it stays in the correct position. Close the caps, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.